Hi guys, it's me, Ollie the Car Kid. I've just arrived to London because today I've been told not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but maybe 5 or 6, 7 Lamborghini Tererarios are coming to London, and today I definitely need to find them. But right now I'm walking through the Ritz, but like, look at this. It looks so nice. We have Dulcie in there sleeping, and we have Dad. Yeah, so I'm so excited. Where? Oh, Performante. There's a Lotus Avaya. We need to go check that out after. The main thing now is the Lamborghini Tererarios. We don't care about anything else, just the Lamborghini Temerario. There is a Lotus Avaya here, right? I'm walking past it.
The number plate is pretty sick.
Where?
On the Urus.
Oh yeah, look at the Urus, guys. It's a nice Urus. Oh, actually, I like that. Look at the exhaust. Oh, he just curbed it. He curbed the rims. You should not own a Lamborghini Urus if you're curving rims. Like, what are you doing, bro? Starting to rain. Oh, I see the Temerarios. Look, they're there.
Oh, wow. Straight away. Who would have thought it?
That was easy.
Huh?
We found them. We found the Temerarios, guys. Yay. What? But they're meant to be here at 12. What's the time?
It's literally 2 minutes to 12 hours.
Oh, guys, comment down the time in your country right now. Yes, they're all in different colours. Yeah. Yep, the green and red, the silver, the blue, and there's a dark blue one. Yeah, there's loads. Whew. I don't know how people walk around with this camera. Like, my arm is starting to ache. Ba-ba-da-ba. Temerario. Comment down below if you've ever seen a Temerario driving, though. I've never seen one driving. I've seen it.
Temerario facts?
907 brake horsepower, 230 miles per hour top speed. 4 litre and V8. Ooh, wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought there was 5. Dad.
There is, bro.
Yeah. I mean, there should be an orange one. Oh, I need to stop because this is hurting me. Oh, there's a puddle.
There's one there, though.
Yeah, I know, there's one here. Yo, look at these guys. Look at that. Nah, that's the one that was remember in Hatfield. Yeah. Look at it, guys. Jesus. I can hear something, but I don't see anything. Something's coming round. I can definitely hear something, but I don't see anything. That's just sad. Look, there's just 3 Temerarios all lined up. Imagine not being here right now.
There's an 812 coming down.
Is there? Oh. I'm focusing on this. Look at the. Oh, look at this, guys. This is actually so nice. Let's walk around it. Bruh. Look at the exhaust. I think the exhaust is just epic. I think it looks like a car from Rocket League. Like, it would have like the boost coming out the back right there. Carbon fibre. I like this one. I think this one's nice with the green as well. But then the blue one's just amazing. Guys, I like the colour blue. Only because my bed sheets are blue. Look at the heat coming off the engine. I don't know if you can see that. I just got really good eyes. So yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. It's actually beautiful. It is actually beautiful. Look. Back to back to back to back. There's just loads. It never ends. Imagine if like some Revoltos come. That'd be cool. Guys, I just got to London because there's not 1, there's not 2, there's not 3, but there's 4 Lamborghini Tererarios. I'm so excited because I haven't seen these like on the roads yet. But like, look at these. They are absolutely, they're so nice. Like, look at the lights. You got blue, you got grey, and we got green. but green is my favourite one because it looks like it's a Christmas, like red and green, carbon fibre, green everywhere. 907 brake horsepower, and there's a 4-litre engine, V8, and the top speed is 230 miles per hour. It's insane. But like, which one would you choose? The green one, the grey one, or the blue one? I'm going for the blue one because blue is my favourite colour, only because my bed sheets are blue. But like, look, the lights are inside of it. Like, that's just mad. And look at the like that there. But come to the back, come. We've got the back, black rims, black calipers, the V8 engine. There's so much steam coming off it. But look at the end, like the exhaust. I think that's just insane with the carbon fibre all around it. Look at these lights are so unique. These are my favourite lights, of course. Like, absolutely insane. Wow. Guys, what do you think? I give it a 10 out of 10. Yep. Guys, a load more car spotters just pulled up to come and see the Temerarios. And then over there's now a McLaren 720S. There's so many cars in London. But I have missed a lot of hypercars, Bugattis, Paganis, Koenigsegg's. Oh, I'm so sad.
We car spotted a bit more, don't we?
Yeah, but the thing is that McLaren P1 GTR was out at 8:30 in the morning. That's when I'm sleeping. Yeah.
Oh, the bus has got lights on it.
So does that Range Rover. And all of these Range Rovers, they all have lights. I wonder why.
But you wonder why?
Yeah.
Maybe it's Christmas time.
Oh, is it? I thought it was October. I thought it was Halloween. But like, what's that? Look what they've done.
We'll go get a closer look in a minute, yeah?
Yeah.
But this rain, if it continues, we might have to abort. We don't do rain.
Yeah, we do. Okay, so guys, I got some good shots of my hair is horrendous. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, so I got some good shots of the Temerario, and then we have the 812 here. Look at it. Just look at it, guys. Look, this is a signed one, so a lot of people have signed it. Look, pink, black, whatever. But like, this is mental. Signing your V12 is just mental. But I came to look at what's in Ferrari and yo, why is there people in there? They have this little Ferrari here, a dog. There's this dog in Ferrari, and a Ferrari here. Why is there a dog in Ferrari? What is up? Why is there a dog in Ferrari? Guys, the rain. I can't with the rain anymore. Guys, the owner of the green Temerario just started. That is loud. Could we go to the mountain so we can drive faster?
Got the baby else.
Yep, we have the baby. Now this bus is in the way. What?
If it goes this way, I think we'll take that.
Okay.
Blue one past up.
Oh, the blue one. Oh. Yeah, the blue one's about to start up. Stop falling on me. I think this one's going to be loud. Imagine these with the Gintani exhaust. That actually made me jump. They're actually pretty loud. I hate rain. These sound so good. A V8 4-litre.
So hopefully if I can
That sounds so good. Wait, what? Okay, I think Temerario might be my second favourite car. If it's... Oh my. If it sounds like that, then for sure. That sounds so good. Oh my. Dulcie. Hello. Where's her dummy? Okay, so now Dulcie's crying. If you've watched some of my videos before, she does not like the revving. Yeah. So yeah. like with the Novatec Pura Sangue, she did not like that revving. But look at this baby. Literally, guys, this car has so much pops it made Dulcie cry. Bruh, where did they go? Where have they gone? But then this guy's just standing. This guy's just staying here. They might be coming round and going in a convoy again. Oh, it's back, they're back. Can I cross over?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, guys. Oh, there's an M3. That's gonna make Dulcie cry even more. Wait, where's the rest? Oh, okay, now we got to wait for the others. No, Dulcie, hold. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Dulcie. Oh. Poor Dulcie, chat. She does not like the cars at all. Not the tiniest bit of her. She does not like them. I don't think she'll grow up liking cars at all. Bruh. Dulcie.
Wait, what time? You happy? What?
No.
What?
It's raining.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, time to go home?
Yeah.
Mission accomplished?
Yeah.
Let's go. So
Bye.
you can tell everyone to like and subscribe?
Yeah, I mean, like, why do I need to tell them? Are they not going to do that? Like and subscribe and do all of that stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever this is going on. I think YouTube and TikTok. If you're on TikTok, then you need to like, comment, favourite, repost, share. Okay? Gotta remember that. Bye.
What's the bottom?